Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we start by driving up from Two Jack Lake all the way up to the trailhead of Glacier Lake. This was our first backpacking trip ever, so we decided just to take a one night out and back with a day of car camping right before it to make sure that our equipment worked well and we were ready to try this for the first time. The Glacier Lake Trail is an 8.9 kilometer hike. There are two major viewpoints along the way, one being the North Saskatchewan River and the second being the Howes River viewpoint. This trail is also relatively flat, with its elevation gain and loss both a little over 200 meters. There were a few creek crossings along the way that had wooden bridges going over top, and they felt pretty sturdy. Here. Despite walking beside a creek for the middle portion of this trail, there weren't too many bugs. One of my favorite things to look at on a trail are any kind of fungi, lichen, there's bugs, and especially birds. After about 4 hours of hiking, we made it to Glacier Lake. The first things we did were pick out our spots and set up camp so we could get to making dinner. But after a little snack, of course.
This is the fun part.
For our first official backpacking meal, we all ended up getting chili mac, and we added Fritos to it, which made it a lot better. There was no cell service at the camp, so there wasn't much to do after we had dinner. So I walked around camp for a decent amount of the time, taking clips of it and making sure to get the sound of the waves crashing on the shore. After a lot of clips of the lake, I kind of got tired of walking with the camera. So I read a few chapters of a book and had to dip my feet in the water. Morning time. I woke up around 7:15, slept better than last night. It was cold last night. I was fine in my sleeping bag, but the air was definitely cold. Very glad I brought a hat. Yeah, this is definitely not like camping in Ontario in the summer. I'm gonna get dressed, get up, and maybe make some breakfast and coffee soon. And then sit by the lake. I don't know how people swim in it. It's so cold. So I'm about to pack up and leave for the day, but I just wanted to walk around the site a bit and show you around. So first things first, putting the coffee down. There is a historic site here. This is it. Next, going to go up to where the food storage is. You can see the water all along there. Food storage. And there's a pulley system there to put your bags up. So there's a loop at the top of them where you attach your dry bag or sack with food, and then you pulley it, attach that to the bottom so they stay up there. Past the historic site, you can see the lake goes around this way, and there was someone camped here yesterday. There's an area there where you can make a fire. There are picnic tables around. That's where I'm camped. Friends are camped up there. And there's more places to camp further up that way. So we hit the trail and headed back after one successful night of backpacking.
Oh, so yummy.
On the way back, we managed to spot a few different birds. I believe this is a spruce grouse, and it was the first time I had ever seen one. And these things don't really move when they spot you. I practically had to shoo the bird off the trail. Then I believe this could be a Canada jay. I'm not sure. I'm not great at recognizing birds, but it was nice to see.
The red chairs are there. We'll go to those after.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!